frequently as possible.
Yo, what's up everybody? I'm in South Dakota, Rapid City for the beginning of Sturgis 2018 out here at Rushmore Motorsports, where they have Honda, Suzuki, Slingshot, and Triumph. So I'm gonna try out this 2018 Triumph Street Triple RS. Yeah, I'm really thinking about upgrading to one of these or the Speed Triple in a couple years over my current Monster 821. And I must say, this thing feels super light, like already, man. Completely love the TFT dash. Completely loving the bar end mirrors. On the RS has the quick shifter both up and down bilateral, so don't know how fast this test ride is gonna be, but hopefully I get to play with it a little bit. I love the way it sounds. Oh, quick shifter. These never get old, man. Okay, initial impressions. Like I said, just getting on it, the bike, super light. No vibrations, even though I'm only going 30 miles an hour. The engine note is nice and mellow, but you get that characteristic tripleness. Bar end mirrors are huge, fantastic. I can see everything behind me. Oh man. Yeah, I had no idea Triumph was gonna be here, because I originally came out here to ride the Hondas because I wanted to ride the CBR 1000 double RSP, but they didn't have it, so I was kind of bummed over that. But then when I saw Triumph, everything just started going right. Okay, the bike is super comfortable, guys. It's super comfortable. Not, and I don't mean just the sitting position, I mean like the actual plushness of the seat. Rear brake is strong. Oh, and it slides into neutral like butter. Oh my goodness. These quick shifters will spoil you. Like, every time I ride a bike with a quick shifter and I get back on my bike, I'm like, man. Oh man, this bike is just flickable. Oh, we're gonna get some freeway action, yeah. Okay, what I'm noticing, to get this downshifter to work, you gotta actually stomp on it, so you just don't delicately use the quick shifter to go down. It's very intentional. I like that. Pretty chill demo ride. And as you guys can see, like, the country out here is absolutely amazing. Oh, nice sidecar. Oh, we got a little twisty road action. Man, I just want to throw this bike around these corners, man. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, we got a snake. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have any negative complaints about this bike. I mean, everything's good. It's lightweight, clutch is super light, brakes are strong, the bike is flickable. It's a little too quiet for me because, as you know, I like bikes with character. So, you know, I like a little backfire, a little overrun, rumbles. I like quirks, more or less. So, this bike just does everything so well. I mean, you couldn't go wrong with it. It's a butter bike. You just butter every way around. Dude, if we didn't have these cars in front of us though, man, this would be a really fun twisty road. And this bike would just eat it up. Dude, this bike makes one of the best intake sounds I've heard to date. I don't know if the GoPro is picking it up, but and then I really haven't been able to really accelerate this bike hard either, so it makes a pretty sweet sound. Oh yeah, I've heard people say that these street triples are on the tall side, and I have no problem flat footing this bike, so that's one less thing to worry about if, you know, if you're into that. I just want to go. Oh. Dude, I like this bike. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty much the feel with all the test rides up here. Everything is going to be more of a cruiser pace, which is cool. I'm guessing that's why Honda didn't bring that CBR 1000 RSP up here. Oh, y'all see how pretty this bike is. Dude, I love like the little radiator guard shrouds that's on speeds and street triples. Like, it's the little things like this that gets my attention. And now how they have the turn signals coming out of the shrouds. Triumph Street Triple. Very nice.